Namaste students. In this session we are going to learn how to take section and study in detail about the characteristic features of dicot stem and root. Characteristic features of dicot, root and stem. Materials required. So materials required for this is cover slip, filter paper, glass slide, freshly cut stem or root, distilled water, safranin solution, glycerin, brush, needle, dropper, watch glass and a compound microscope. So now we shall move to the procedure. A freshly cut stem or root is placed in between the thumb and the index finger. Using a sharp blade or knife, thin sections were cut and it is transferred immediately to the watch glass containing water. Then take few drops of distilled water and place it over the glass slide. Using the brush, select a section which is thin and complete and place on the slide. Using the dropper, add few drops of safranin solution to the section and allow it to strain for 2 to 3 minutes. After straining, take a filter paper and wipe the excess strain in the slide. Add a drop of glycerin on the section and place the cover slip on the section using a needle. Once the section is prepared, place it under the compound microscope, that is on the stage of the compound microscope, and observe it. Observation. TS of dicot stem. Features of identification. Presence of multicellular hairs on the epidermis. Presence of collenchymatous hypodermis. Vascular bundle are wedge shaped and are arranged in ring. Vascular bundle is conjoined, collateral and open. So these are the features of identification for a dicot stem. Now we shall see the features of identification for the dicot root. So here the features of identification is presence of unicellular hair on the epidermis, vascular bundle are radial, xylem and phloem are less than 6, that is 4 in dicot root. That's why we call it as tetrarch. Xylem is exarch, pith is reduced or absent. So in matured root, the pith is reduced. So these are the features of identification for the dicot root. So we shall move to the results. So the result is the given slide is identified as dicot root in case of dicot root, or it is dicot stem in case of dicot stem. So by observing these identification, we shall confirm the slide whether it is a root or a stem. Thank you.